Good evening. I'm Roxanne Stein in for Shannon Kate.
And I'm Jake Cashmere. Thanks so much for staying with us. Well, Florida is leading the charge to block new federal health care regulations. Now it's up to a federal judge in Pensacola to decide if the state's lawsuit has merit. Capitol correspondent Whitney Ray has more.
As attorneys general from Florida, Alabama, and Utah fought to block new health care laws in a federal courtroom in Pensacola, outside disabled veteran Clarice Roberts sat across the street in disgust.
When you do anything new, there's going to be some trials and some errors, but something is better than nothing.
Florida is leading the charge to block provisions in the new health care law requiring people to buy insurance and allow more people on the Medicaid rolls. Attorney General Bill McCollum filed the suit in March, just minutes after the legislation passed. Tuesday, he emerged from the courtroom with an entourage of lawyers, satisfied with the hearing.
Obamacare is terrible law, it's terrible constitutional law, and it's rough on the states in many, many ways that a lot of people can't foresee.
I believe that today was a good day for the Constitution. I believe it was a good day for the people who wrote the Constitution, and I am hopeful and optimistic that we are going to get in this courthouse what we did not get in the federal buildings in Washington, D.C.
The judge will make a ruling on the motion before October 16th. But no matter what this judge decides, the chances are this battle won't be over until the U.S. Supreme Court has its say. By then, much of the new law could be in place, making it complicated to repeal. In Pensacola, Whitney Ray, WPTV News Channel 5.
Pam.